with countries in the region. As you would have seen our press release earlier yesterday, External Affairs Minister will pay an official visit to the United Arab Emirates from 11th to 12th April 2026. During the visit, he will meet the leadership of the UAE to review close cooperation and deepen the comprehensive strategic partnership between the two countries. We are also reaching out to other countries in the GCC region. Our Minister of Petroleum is also visiting the region. As you would have seen, he is paying an official visit to Qatar on 9th and 10th April 2026. Thank you very much.
Asim ji.
Good afternoon. We continue to monitor the developments in the Gulf and West Asia region. Our dedicated special control room in the ministry remains operational, and we continue to remain in regular touch with the state governments and union territories. Our efforts are focused on ensuring the safety, security and welfare of the Indian community in the region. Our missions and posts are operating round-the-clock helplines and proactively assisting our citizens. Updated advisories are being issued, including information related to local government guidelines, flight and travel situation and consular services. Our missions remain actively engaged with the Indian community associations, organizations, professional groups, Indian companies and other stakeholders. An update on the status of flights. Flights continue to operate from the region to India from countries where airspace is open. Since February 28th, around 815,000 passengers have travelled from the region to India. Airlines continue to operate limited non-scheduled commercial flights based on operational and safety considerations between UAE and India. Around 85 flights are expected to operate from the UAE to India today. Flights are operating from various airports in Saudi Arabia and Oman to different destinations in India. With the Qatar airspace partially open, Qatar Airways is expected to operate around 8 to 10 flights to India today. Kuwait airspace remains closed. Jazeera Airways of Kuwait and Kuwait Airways continue to operate non-scheduled commercial flights from Dammam Airport of Saudi Arabia to various destinations in India. Due to airspace closure, we continue to facilitate travel of Indian nationals from Kuwait through Saudi Arabia to India. Bahrain airspace is now open. Gulf Air of Bahrain has announced limited flight operations from Bahrain to India that are expected to start soon. Gulf Air is operating non-scheduled commercial flights from Dammam Airport of Saudi Arabia to various destinations in India. We continue to facilitate travel of Indian nationals from Bahrain through Saudi Arabia to India. Our embassy in Tehran has so far facilitated movement of 2,170 Indian nationals from Iran to Armenia and Azerbaijan for onward travel to India. This includes 971 Indian students and 657 Indian fishermen. The airspace in Israel remains closed. We continue to facilitate travel of Indian nationals from Israel through Jordan and Egypt to India. Iraqi airspace is now open. Flights operations are yet to resume. We continue to facilitate travel of Indian nationals from Iraq through Jordan and Saudi Arabia to India. Thank you.